Okay, this is Mary over there and Anna having a burping contest with warm root beer and Coke. Burping gonna start yet?
Why does it do this to us?
I burped so
burp.
much when the camera was on.
Me too! I went inside and I'm
What's your problem?
You move, it makes you burp.
I'll do it.
Well, then. I can just burp whenever he wants to.
I can? Yeah. Well, they're not that big of a burp.
Every hour between now and 8 o'clock.
That's disgusting.
I think it.
Why does it do this to us? Quit twerking!
Sorry. Ew.
What a wonderful song. But I've heard it around. Okay, Anna. You're not that good of a dancer. I don't care.
But sure you are.
You might as well be going like this. Hey, Anna. Or you know how you got mad because you had a no cowtail? Remember, this is a burping contest. Hey, Ben. Hold back the cowtail.
What? They don't care.
It's empty. Notice it. Someone burp other than me.
I wonder what root beer cowtails taste like. Too bad I wasn't looking at you, but we heard it.
You gotta try and get the cowtail. It's gonna be gross.
That was pitiful.
Cocktails are caramel with like white stuff in it. With like sugar cream. It's like
How long is this video?
I'm gonna stop it.
Huh?
3:30. Yeah, 3:30.
whoever has had a